If your dog licks your skin, it might be telling you something most owners completely miss. When your dog licks your skin, it usually happens for three powerful reasons. Your dog probably does this to you all the time. Maybe you find it a little gross. Maybe you love it, but most people never realize the real message behind it. The first reason is affection. For dogs, licking is like a hug. When they were puppies, their mother licked them to comfort them and show love. So when your dog licks you, they are basically saying, I trust you. I feel safe with you. The second reason is curiosity. Human skin carries salts and unique scents. With just one lick, your dog's powerful sense of smell can tell where you've been, what you touched, and even how you're feeling. The third reason is the emotional connection. Dogs are incredibly good at reading human emotions. When they sense stress, sadness, or anxiety, they often lick as a way to comfort you and let you know you're not alone. But here's the part most dog owners don't realize. Dogs are very good at hiding their own discomfort. They won't tell you if their gums hurt or if plaque is slowly damaging their teeth. Bad breath and dental disease often come from the same hidden problem: declining collagen levels. When collagen drops, it weakens the gums and connective tissue around the teeth. Over time, this can lead to inflammation, bad breath, and even health problems affecting the heart, liver, and immune system. That's why I always recommend adding a collagen topper to your dog's food. The one many owners trust is Staley Collagen, which you can find on Amazon. It's designed specifically for dogs to support gum strength, joint health, skin, and coat quality. It mixes easily into any meal, and even picky eaters usually don't notice it. I'll link the exact one in my profile so you can find it easily. And if you comment the word treats, I'll send you my simple dental routine that helps keep your dog's breath fresh and their teeth healthier for years.